Children, listen here. This is the window that appears when you open Inkscape. I am using the Windows operating system, so I downloaded Inkscape for Windows. The version of Inkscape is same in both Windows and Linux. Okay children, let's start our first practical session. Logo creation. Creating the logo of IT at school. Children, listen carefully. This is the toolbox of Inkscape. This is the menu bar and this is the color palette. Okay. The canvas is the part you see on the border. This is the canvas. The images you make should never go outside of the border. That will affect the perfection of image. Now the page format is portrait. We have to change it into landscape. To change portrait to landscape, click on File menu, then Document Properties. File menu, Document Properties. Document Properties dialog box appears. In Document Properties, there are so many options like Page, Guides, Grids, Snap, Color, etc. Under Page tab, Page Size, Orientation, Custom Size, Scale, Background and Display are there. Change the orientation option into landscape or reduce the custom size. Reduce the width and height of the canvas. Choose a landscape option from orientation or reduce the width and height from custom size option. Then click on Close button. Listen children. Look at the canvas. The orientation of the canvas changed into landscape. Then move the mouse pointer into toolbox. Select the tool. Create a rectangle and square. Click on the rectangle tool. Then move the mouse pointer into the canvas area. Then click and drag to draw 3 boxes, 2 squares and 1 rectangle. Draw first square, then second square, then third rectangle, then change its color. Move the mouse pointer and select the selection tool and select first box, first square. Then move the mouse pointer into color palette area. Then change the color into blue. Then select second box. Change the color into aqua blue. Then select next rectangle. Change the color into blue, navy blue. Okay, 3 boxes are ready. Then next, adding text to that boxes. Select the text tool. Then drag into canvas area. Click on the first box. Then type IT in capital letters. IT. Then move the text tool into next box. Click and type @ symbol. Then move the text tool into third box. Then click and type school. Then change the font size and font color of each text. First, select the text IT using text tool. Selecting, then change font style into bold. Then font size into 48. Then change the size and style. Like that way, change the size and style of @ and school. Bold, font size 48. Select the school. Then change the font style bold and font size 48. Look at the logo. Then change the font color of each text into white color. Select the text using text tool. Then move the mouse pointer into color palette and click on white. Then next, select @ symbol. Then move the mouse pointer into color palette and select the color white. Select the color white. Again, select school. Change the color into white. To center align the text, select the text using selection tool. Click on selection tool and select the text. To change the position of text using arrow keys from the keyboard. arrow keys from the keyboard. Adjust the text into centered. Okay, let us see. Then adjust the box size. To group the objects, select the objects using selection tool. Then place the mouse pointer over the objects and click and drag the objects. All objects are selected. Then click on Object menu, Group option, or use shortcut key Ctrl+G. Select the objects and click on Object menu, Group option, or use Ctrl+G shortcut. The objects are grouped. Then move the logo to the center position of the canvas. Then increase its size. To save the logo, click on File menu. Then select Save As option. Save As option. File menu, Save As option. Select the destination folder. My folder is on desktop. Now selected the folder and type a file name, logo. The file type of Inkscape is SVG, .svg file format. Click on Save button. First activity completed.